Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by searching the App Store with focused keywords like Family Locator and Runaway Resources so you find relevant tools fast. Once done, make sure to filter by ratings and recent updates to avoid abandoned apps, and review the developer info for credibility. You should scan descriptions for explicit consent, privacy policies, and age-appropriate features. This explains how the app works and why it's safe. Act now, but prioritize legality and consent before any tracking or sharing features are used. You now evaluate each candidate app by digging into specific features. Look for real-time location sharing that requires explicit consent and built-in alerts for safety. At the same time, check required permissions like continuous location, contacts, and background access so you understand risks. Limit permissions where possible. You should read multiple user reviews to learn about reliability and false alarms, and test free versions first. If something seems invasive or unclear, stop and choose an app that prioritizes privacy and clear parental controls. You finish by setting up the chosen app with verified accounts, clear consent prompts, and pre-configured emergency contacts so it's ready without surprises. Once configured, test features with a trusted adult to confirm accuracy and familiarize yourself with alert behavior. If you suspect a child is actually missing, do not rely solely on apps. Notify police and child services immediately, provide last known locations, and app data if lawful. Troubleshooting tip: if location fails, check device settings, network permissions, then contact app support or authorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.